Okay, so today here in Kentucky, Louisville to be exact. Huh? Yeah, I'm video camera, videotaping. Really? Oh, okay. Say hello. So this is the damage here. We had like the remnants of the hurricane in Texas. I guess it's like passing on through here. So we had really high and vicious winds, and it knocked over trees. It uprooted some trees. Stop, Connor. It uprooted some trees. Stop! Branches. That would be my son aggravating me. Our power is down right now. I'm walking over across the street to the power line so you can see it. This down tree right here. Connor, point to the tree. Yeah, that down tree right there, it's fell on the power line, which we're walking up, and now this is the, see all that on there, this is the power line that supplies power to our street. And I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, see, then if you go over here, there's some more. It just totally, like, the tree branch just snapped, and then it went all the way down. Connor, stay away from the wire. See, it's all the way down there. Okay, so lead us the way, Connor. We're not gonna go through the wire. We're gonna walk over here
until this tree.
To this tree. Felicia, well, don't walk in front of me.
It broke. We take another video. It broke down, and because off of that tree right there, you see it? Right there, it broke down, and I figured out that even though it's really nasty through there, there's a secret passageway, and I want to show you today.
Okay. He's going. Now this is a down tree right here. Let's see if you can see the. This is where it. I'll show you where it snapped. And this is still across the street from my house. See, it snapped right there. And yeah, it snapped right there. Okay.
I want to show you. Here, hold this, please, Mom. I want to show you that there's two ways. You can go through here. You can climb up to that branch and touch it. I'm going to show you that I can touch that.
No, you're not climbing up there.
And then there's another way. So, the first way is...
Don't touch that stuff.
What is it?
Tree,
Earth.
I forgot what it's called from the trees.
Well.
But if you see, look all on the ground, there's stuff blown all over. And this is supposedly the remnants from the hurricane. And later on tonight, we're supposed to get some storms, some really bad, severe storms. I said don't climb up there. And also, we've been without power since about maybe about 1:30, 2 o'clock. Probably about 1:30. And it's now, let's see, about 5:30 now, and we've been without power. So I'm not sure when our power is going to come back on, but it like totally, you know, I gotta use appropriate language because I have the kid here. Because we can't do anything. We can't cook. We can't heat anything up. There's no there's no lights, so can't get on the computer, the internet. But I'm told by a neighbor that if you go on the internet, that they've already uploaded, some people have uploaded some very shocking video. So I don't know, because I can't get on. Not all of Louisville is without power. So far, it's I know a great deal of the neighborhoods are. So okay, so now my son wants to show you the secret passageway. So here we go.
See the videotaper so I can show them the whole way through.
No, come on.
I'm gonna go through there, and I'm gonna take the videotaper and go all the way through.
You're
so
not.
you can
No,
see
you're not.
everything. Well, no, I'm not. So here I go.
He's going through. Now this is a down tree, mind you, and he decided to find a passageway. Okay, let's go see him on the other side. Come on, Feeners. That's the dog. Here she comes. There she is. This way, Feeners. Where'd he go? Connor! These are just some random boys walking. Hi! Connor! Oh, there he is. I think he lost us.
Still in the tree.
He's still in the tree. And now I think it's about to start. Here comes the rain. The rain is moving. The rain is moving in, so I think we're going to head home now.
I see where the tree snapped at.
Okay.
It's white and it snapped about right in the middle of the tree. So when it fell, it hit another branch and then it went over.
Oh, yes. I can see it. There's some more snapping. And here comes the rain. Let's go. Come on.
I'm trying to get out.
Okay. We're out of here. It's raining. Bye-bye. Come on.